Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to withdraw ERC20 tokens in the excess.com broker. You enter the Funds section, click on the Funds, Video. In this section, you select the desired account for withdrawal, register the desired network, and choose the desired address at the bottom. If you wish to add another tag, you can do so by clicking in this section. And finally, click on Continue. In this section, you enter the desired amount for withdrawal and click on Continue. You will see the details of your withdrawal and click on Continue. We enter the Transaction History section, and as you can see, this withdrawal is in a pending state. We successfully withdrew this amount after 20 minutes. Good luck.